In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to export your data to Excel. So the first thing you do is you open the app and you connect the dyno and you run a test. So in this case, I already run the test, and if you need help on how to run a test, please reference some of our videos, and it will show you in detail how to run it and how to configure your test parameters. So once you run your test, you go to your test results tab and you will select the export test data button. So you click that, and let's just put a name, this one, and let me just replace that, save, and now let's just open so you can see what's the data it's included. So you basically get pretty much all the information, and you get it with the units that you have on your test. Okay, so in this case, angular speed is reps per minute, so it's RPM. You get the angular speed of the dyno. You get the angular speed of your first gear, second gear if you had a chassis dyno. You have your angular speed of your external sensor. You have your linear speed, kV, mechanical torque, electrical power, mechanical power, voltage, current, efficiency, battery discharge, the temperature 1, 2, 3, 4, pressure, humidity, flow, and time. So you can, with this, you can do, filtering. If you want a graph again, you can go ahead and make a graph. You could do a lot of things with this app. That should be it. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to email us or go to our website, support.minipro.com. Thank you. And thanks for watching.